Hi, I'm your host for channel Montessori Installation. Today we are going to learn pouring water from one jug to another jug.
Yes, we are bringing here another presentation for you, which is the pouring water from one jug to another. Okay, so first we will tell you about the illustration, that what material we used in it. We used 2 jugs, one full with water capped in the tray, a duster, a plastic mat, and an apron. And what is the aim of this project? The aim of this project is to get coordination of movements, independence, calculation, and judgment and patience. While doing this activity, while doing this presentation, the child gets learned the pouring water from one jug to another jug independently. Okay, first I am going to tell you about the illustration, how to make this illustration. You make the tray with the forming sheet and the jug with the paper, and here is a plastic mat, and this is a duster, and the apron is necessary. And you see in the second step that we have placed the mat here, and then we put the tray and we are pouring the water from one jug to another jug. Let's start the presentation. Before going to start the presentation, first we take the consent of the child, and let's take the child to the place of the material, and then the child gets 2 jugs from the material place, and then he gets back on the place of the presentation, and then you start the presentation while wearing the apron. Okay, the child has brought the material to the place of presentation, and we have worn an apron too. Okay, first you ask the child to unfold the mat. Okay, wrap your fingers like that around the handle of the jug and put your thumb of upper side of the handle of the jug. Then stretch your left hand. Okay, now it is a child's turn to pour the water. Wind up this presentation by disposing of the water and replace the duster with a clean one. Okay, so in EPL file we are showing you these type of presentation. If you want a particular presentation from us, then you comment us below. Again.
If you like our video, subscribe us, like us, stay tuned with Montessori Installations. Thank you, bye-bye.